Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys the approximate value of my Ipsy glam bag for the month of March. Yes, it is super late. I don't have any excuses. Grad school. Ipsy's theme for the month of March was hashtag Ipsy Shiro because it was National Women's History Month, which is really cool. And then of course they've started doing these really cool little pamphlets that kind of give you a rundown of everything you got in the box and like little tips on how to use them. The bag was kind of cute as well. It was this metallic-y rose gold that says "and off she went to change the world," and then it's got a little star dark blue zipper pull, so very cute. The first product is this Tarte Maneater mascara, and I'm pretty sure I have used this before and I do like it. I'm not currently wearing it, I'm wearing a different mascara, just because I feel like this Tarte Maneater mascara is not quite as voluminous as I would like. It is definitely more like an everyday mascara, but it does separate your lashes and make them look nice and long, just not necessarily voluminous, if that makes sense. So definitely a good product, and the value is good as well. The approximate value is about $11.50. And then one of my favorite products in this month's bag is this CIATÉ London Lip Lustre. This is in the shade Kiss Me, so it's kind of like a light pink lip gloss with like glitter in it. I don't know, it's very pretty, it's very reflective. I'm obviously wearing it right now, and it is just so gorgeous and so pretty and perfect for summer. And then one of the other things I like about it, obviously I complain about glosses a lot on this channel because I'm not a huge gloss person, and this does not bug me. It is super nice, it is not sticky, and it is very hydrating, so I'm very impressed with this. And the value for this little sample size is amazing as well. It is worth about $11.11. Next up is this Royal and LANGNICKEL blush brush from, I think, their CHIQUE line. It is very pretty. It's kind of got that rose gold tone going on. And it's just a fairly decent blush brush. Definitely not my favorite. Like, my go-to is still my IT Cosmetics blush brush because it is super dense and picks up product really well. But this does a fairly good job for kind of just a light dusting, like a very summery, blushy glow. I was also surprised at how affordable this brush is. It is only $4, so that kind of puts it on par with like e.l.f. brushes, Eco Tool brushes, Real Techniques brushes, so that is amazing as well. Next is this PUR Skin Perfecting Powder in Afterglow. This is a highlighter. I'm wearing it right now. It's very gold and just gorgeous and very pretty. It's a wonderful highlighter. My only kind of like one complaint is it is kind of chunky in the pan, so that creates a lot of fallout when you are, you know, applying it. But other than that, I think it is just really, really pretty. It's a nice summer highlight color. And the approximate retail value for this PUR highlighter is $2.95. And then last but not least is this surprise favorite from this glam bag. This is the I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. Now, I was kind of skeptical at first, mostly because I feel like some of these are pretty just hypey. I don't know if you can see, it's like a, oh, it's gonna drip. It's like a white, shiny, it's got pearl powder in it. So I was like, alright, it's probably just like a hype mask that's been created to kind of go along with this hollow glitter face mask trend, but I was actually very impressed with this. It's a peel off mask, which I don't use a lot, but it left my skin feeling so smooth, so soft, so hydrated, so I really liked it and I was very surprised about that. And the total value is fairly good as well. It's worth about $2.80. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy glam bag for the month of March. If you were not keeping score, that brings the approximate value up to around $32.34, which is fairly standard for an Ipsy glam bag and is a fairly decent value, again, considering that I only pay about $10 a month for them. So if you would like to try out Ipsy for yourself, which I highly recommend you do, definitely check out my personal referral link. It is down in the down bar. While you're down there, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, leave a comment, and check me out on my socials, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyeleah, EYELEAH. I would love to see you there, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.